Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a nice Saturday. It's a Saturday afternoon, and let's analyze what happened on Friday and what is our view for Monday. Okay, so if you can see my screen, I show you, on the Nifty chart. Nifty again consolidation continues. So from last 3 4 days or last whole week, I would say we are not doing anything. We are at the same location, same zone. Not sure why it's not working. Okay, okay, not sure, but we are at the same zone, and market is very boring or dull for last whole week. But yeah, these are the phases of a market, because we got a good rally till first half of April from the last day. So we got a good upside, and we captured most of that, and now market is doing the sideways movement. So this is expected and kind of a consolidation. Okay, so now market on Friday made a hammer candle. Okay, and is still holding this pink line. So still markets are not bearish, but they are bullish with a consolidation bias. Okay, so this is what happened on the candlesticks chart. So on the candlesticks chart, if we we need to see if we made a kind of a green candle, because I'm waiting for such a green candle to have a confirmation on a bullish trend. Let's see what happened onto the market profile chart. So on the market profile chart, we took a exactly support at a green line. If you have seen my earlier videos, we have marked this level, and this is why we had a huge spike in the volume when we started the upside journey. And exactly at that position today market came and took a support. So at least on the Friday we got a good trade on the buy side. I also posted in the community tab that nft is taking a support, and I think that worked very well. So overall, it was a boring week, but yeah, on Friday we got a good view on good, at least some good trades in the market. Okay, so now what is the next? So I think if you remember this 717 7 110, is the level where we need to see if we get a follow up or not. So if we want to, nifty wants to retain the upside, it has to cross this level to get into the upside zone. Till this is crossed, we are not that bullish onto the markets. And once it is crossed, then the next target would be 17,780 around. So around 80 points move can be expected if we cross 17,170. And I think before that we will have a these are the levels also that we need to track for the movement. So if on Monday markets open above, come here, test it, and then goes, that would be the best scenario for anybody to go long into the market. Else we will not be long, because the trend is sideways. So let's wait for a market to make some bullish candle, and then we can continue the bullish trend. But for now, I think we are in the wait, what you can say, wait and watch mode right now. Now the lower side, definitely if this is crossed, then the lower side would be 17,551 is the next support zone. And after that, I think we need to find out where are the supports, along with that. So maybe this is the next support that we should look at into the markets, which is at this level. If you see this high spike in the volume, so let me mark them, just for everybody, we can see eventually. So this is the upside and downside level for nifty. For now, uh, the view is still bullish, not gonna be bearish. But yeah, for now, the view is more from a consolidation and bullish bias. Okay, let's look at what happened on the bank nifty side. So bank nifty is a deep consolidation. We have a shooting star, no, sorry, spinning top formed, a good spinning top. So we are still into the bullish territory itself, but a long consolidation that is happening. So we really need to see the consolidation breakout from the markets. Let's see what happened onto the order flow, onto this chart. So we had a good movement downside, but then as nifty took a support, bank nifty also reversed from that levels. And I think for now, what we should look at is, this is the main support area for the bank nifty. Okay, so this is the main support area. Until and unless this is broken with a volume, we will not consider it as a, what you can say, as a bearish view. So this is the view, and I think this was the day when the big selling happened. Exactly this, at this single print, the selling stopped. So we have to make sure until unless this level is broken, we are not gonna be bearish into the markets. And to be bullish onto the bank nifty, if you know, this was a day when we had the emotional selling into the markets. So until and unless this level is crossed, we are not going to be bullish into the markets. And this we were discussing from last 3 days, that market has to cross this level for becoming a bullish into the markets. So if this level is broken, then we gonna see 500. And if this is broken upside, we gonna see it 800. Now this week was a whole consolidation, so definitely we can expect some movement happening into bank nifty next week, and next week also a monthly expiry week. So let's see if action resumes. Else we will continue in the sideways zone with this upper limit, and this is the lower limit. Okay, so that's how we should look for bank nifty. We had a we thought that it's gonna be, it was in our selling zone. We had this big seller at this level, which is 42 150. Okay, but then market exactly closed at 42 150 only. So we are still into the exactly, this was a seller 42 with where 2000 contracts are sold. But yeah, market did not give a what you can say follow through, because nifty took a support on and then nifty also holded the market. So and we are exactly closed around 40 to 150. So this would be the important level to watch for. If we trade above this level, definitely we're gonna see some short covering into the markets. mm, Nifty also, if you see,
Connection lost.
what happened into nifty is, in the morning we saw huge amount of buying happened at this zone, which is 17686 and 17674. So basically 84 means that's 17700, let's say. So this zone is and if you remember, this is also a zone that is where we saw earlier huge sellers from the market. So if you see here, 1200 contracts, and then here 1800 contracts, this is a big selling zone. So that's why our view is very clear. Until unless we go above 17710, we not gonna be bullish into the markets. So I think that's for nifty and bank nifty. HDFC bank, they had a good what you can say rally at the end of the day. HDFC bank closed exactly at a level where or sorry, the level above where we have seen the huge amount of selling, 5000 contracts, 3000 contracts, and that was also we discussed on last day, that something is cooking into the banks. And HDFC bank, we are right now above that. So we need to see, if we can really go and have something on the HDFC bank. But HDFC bank looking bullish. HDFC, if you see, made a good amount of transaction here. So if we go, if you open gap up, let's say, come back, test, take a support here, and then crosses day high, I think we gonna see good movement into HDFC as well. Because I think from this level above, so let's say 2764, we don't see any resistance till 2800. So maybe 30 points move, we don't see any resistance into the markets for the HDFC. Only thing is, nifty has to perform, bank nifty has to perform, then only we can make a good position. ICICI bank, yesterday there was a good buying into ICICI bank, but as we broke that level, we saw a sharp selling into the ICICI bank. So because of the result week, I think also for ICICI bank, so we need to see how the sentiment works onto the ICICI bank. GMR, nothing much is happening. It's at the same level. Yeah, SBI, when it broke the ASP from yesterday, it just came down. and the next SP level, it just again respected that level. So this SP is now retested twice. Okay, so this zone is retested twice. So from a lower side it is kind of a negative now. Until unless this is broken, we are not gonna be bearish into SBI, but upside only when we cross 550 levels. Till the time market doing a consolidation. Reliance, I think good result into Reliance. And if I show you from a market profile standpoint, I don't see any resistance to Reliance. If you see, you know, if I mark this line, let's say this is first resistance. After that, what is happening? Okay. So this is the resistance. Then exactly this resistance is already worked. So this is the next level. Let's say when we need to track for, and after that we don't have any resistance till for 2410. So interestingly, we need to see what happens. Because today was a result of Reliance. Oh, yesterday was a result of Reliance, and I think it was a kind of a positive result. But keep in one thing in mind: whenever there are results, you don't need to trade on that day, because next day technical doesn't works but sentiment works. Okay. Bajaj Finance, I think kind of a good amount of rally. So it removed this yellow line now, and then it has a V-shaped movement. So I think you should look for this stock. If this is crossed, then we definitely 6,000 levels, and if 6,000 crosses, we can look for 6,200. And I think there are levels above which will act as a resistance, which is 6180 and 6175. In that way, if you see Tata Motors, it exactly resisted yesterday's SP, and we got a good trade on the downside. Now we have a support around 464. So Tata Motors, please keep in mind the support. We'll see how it behaves at this support. Kotak sideways again, as whole bank nifty pack is sideways. But if this high volume space is still holding, so until unless this is not broken, you should not go short. Also, even if you go short, we still have SP below. So I think it would be sideways, but then no shorts, nothing. So we are sideways. We are not doing any trade into it. Axis Bank, again, at this level, we see huge volume built up. So this is an important level. And then the SP is also created. So until unless these two levels are crossed, not gonna see anything or not gonna trade Axis Bank. So I think this is at it. So I think in nutshell, market was whole week consolidation, very difficult week to trade. Nothing, for the option buyer, option seller would have made a huge money. But yeah, it's a market, it gives chance to everybody, so don't worry, option buyers will also get his days to to trade. So don't lose hope. This is how market normally, this is how market behaves in general. Okay. So what is happening, not sure, but yeah, let's show me the disclaimer. So the views shared in the video are only for educational purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision based on the views shared. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment decision. Author is not responsible for any loss due to content in the video. Okay, so yeah, be prepared for Monday. As I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn about the markets. This is gonna help you in a longer run. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Good day.